Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 5th of January 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make a disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. So this recent uptrend, which I did catch all the way back here, and I've made videos on this, you can go back and cross-reference. Very good uptrend for Tesla, which I had called a long while ago. We can see MACD has been positive, increasing. Very, very bullish indications for Tesla on the technical side of things. However, we look at this candle here, huge wick. I mean, Tesla went up, shot up after President-elect Trump's victory announcement, and we can see that it crashed back down after that due to a number of reasons. However, the month of January has been positive for Tesla, as per my own prediction as well. And yeah, so very positive readings for Tesla coming through on the monthly charts. Weekly charts, again, very similar. I've drawn this new trend line here, I guess, which kind of goes through the price action. It's not really a trend line. It's just a line passing through the price action showing you that this was kind of a retracement. We went back up to the trend line. Now we're back in line here. We can see that, again, more confirmation that this is a strong trend line. We saw price hit this bottom and then retrace back up for the week. MACD is positive for Tesla, of course. RSI as well is confirming the price action that we're seeing. Positive price action overall. And we can see because of this candle, it is very clear that the bullish sentiment really prevailed the last few days. I can say 2 days with certainty because I know what's going to happen in the daily charts. But yes, this is actually a bullish candle. If you think about the sentiment that goes behind this, the price went all the way down here and then got pushed all the way back up. So the moment this resistance is crossed, I will take that as a bullish signal and will buy Tesla. Daily charts, again, kind of confirming what I just said. I mean, we have this window all the way here. We had this huge run for Tesla. Again, this is what I was talking about. Big crash down. However, the last day was very, very bullish for Tesla. Actually moved all the way up. So if it does close above this resistance, we'll take that as a buy signal. If it does close below here, then we will take that as a sell signal. So if it goes up, we have a target here. And if it goes down, we have a target to this support here. MACD is actually negative. So that's a little discouraging. However, we know that this does take a while to kind of reorient back with the trend, so we can kind of catch it with a few leading indicators. RSI is actually negative. However, that is actually in line with the price action that we're seeing. So yeah, that's all for the technical analysis. This week we had another profitable trade. Feel free to look through these values. This week we will buy Tesla when it crosses 414 and sell when it falls below 390 with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither the target or stop loss is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend is bullish and the monthly trend is bullish as well for Tesla. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.